Okay.
So sooner we go, the sooner we can get you home or call a friend. Okay.
Okay.
Come on, Ricky.
We'll just get you in here, and then we're gonna pull up a little bit closer to your car. Okay. Just watch it.
And right away, this case goes from routine welfare check to full-blown disaster in seconds. The officer finds her passed out at an intersection, and before she's even fully awake, the car starts rolling straight into the cruiser. That's the first giant red flag here. Not just impaired driving, but a driver so out of it she doesn't even realize the danger she's in, or the danger she's creating for everyone around her.
Put the car in park!
Oh my god!
Put the car in park!
Oh my god, you told I hold don't party house.
Put the car in park! Unlock the door. Been trying to wake you up for a couple minutes. Okay?
Okay.
Where are you coming from, Mary?
Just St. Charles.
Just St. Charles? Where in St. Charles?
5 minutes away.
What's, like, where are you coming from, though? Where'd you just leave? What's up? That's where you live. Where are you coming from, though? Do you know where you are right now?
Well, I know I'm right by St. Pat's. It's like a mile away.
Is that where you're coming from?
No.
No?
I'm not
Where were you?
100% sure where I'm coming from.
Okay. Were you out in St. Charles tonight?
I was.
How much you had to drink tonight, Mary?
I can do a sobriety test if you'd like me to.
Okay. Well, first I'm going to have the paramedics come check you out, just because it took me a while to wake you up. And then, unfortunately, I broke your glass here. It looks like I got a little cut on your face, okay? It's not bad. You just got a tiny little mark on your face there.
Okay.
All right? Are you doing okay otherwise?
Mm-hmm.
Are you on any medication or anything? Are you supposed to be and you didn't take it? No? Okay.
Yeah, this is lovely marketing for...
Were you out drinking tonight?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you remember where you were? What establishment?
So, I wasn't at any bars. I wasn't at any bars.
Okay.
But,
were you at a restaurant? You
no.
said you were over by St. Pat's. Were you at the Italian place?
No, I wasn't at any bars. I was, yeah.
Just take some deep breaths for me. I'm going to have the paramedics come check you out real quick, okay?
Okay, okay.
I know you seem fine now. It was just I called them here because I could not wake you up.
This is one of those moments that tells you the officer already sees the bigger picture. He's not just worried about whether she's drunk. He's worried about why she was completely unresponsive in a running vehicle in the middle of the road. That's why medical gets called first. And honestly, that matters because before this turns into a DUI investigation, it's also a potential medical emergency. That's a huge distinction people miss in body cam cases like this.
Take you up, tapping on your window, I was banging on your hood, and you weren't moving. And then that's why I parked my car where I did, because I had a feeling when you woke up that you were going to start rolling forward, and I didn't want you I'd rather you hit me than crash into someone's house.
Yeah.
Or someone else.
Of course.
Okay. Do you mind having Officer Nicholson just hold on to your purse for you?
Yeah.
All right, Ricky. Come over here just so we're kind of out of here. Okay. So obviously a rough night, right? Yeah, you can turn and look at me. It's okay. I know it was kind of chaotic there at the beginning.
It's just,
What?
it's a lot to take in.
No, understood. Do you remember where you were coming from tonight and like how you got here? But you were in St. Charles before you got in your car tonight?
Yes.
Were you out to eat or meet friends at a bar, restaurant?
Yeah, no. I was with my friends.
You don't remember where?
It's not right.
Did you have dinner? Or did you eat or no?
No, I didn't eat.
Did you eat earlier today?
Yeah.
Did you have dinner?
Yeah.
About what time did you eat?
Probably around 5 or so.
5? Okay. And then ended up in St. Charles with friends?
Yeah, well, I live in St. Charles, so.
Okay. A couple drinks tonight? Fair to say?
Yeah.
You remember what you had?
Wine.
Wine? You know how much?
A few drinks.
A few drinks? based on how much you had tonight, is that more than usual, less, about the average?
Probably more, but also I ate less.
Okay, so kind of two things going against you there, right?
Now listen carefully, because this is where the conversation quietly shifts from concern to evidence gathering. The officer starts pinning down the timeline, where she was, what she drank, whether she ate, and whether she thought she was okay to drive. Those questions may sound casual, but they're doing heavy lifting. Every answer gets measured against what he's seeing in real time. Confusion, delayed responses, and her own admission that she probably drank more than usual.
Right. Gotcha. Based on how much you drank tonight, do you think you were safe to drive a car?
Well, I'm gonna punch my window open, so.
I gotcha. So what we're going to do, do you have any physical limitations that prevent you from walking normally, bouncing one foot, anything like that?
No.
Do you have any issues, any head trauma or any issues with your eyes?
No.
Okay. Do you wear glasses or contacts?
I wear contacts.
Contacts, soft contacts. You have them in right now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. So what we're going to do, I'm just going to have you face me just like you're. Go ahead and put your feet together and put your arms down at your side, okay? All right. So what we're going to do, I'm going to check your eyes, okay? What I want you to do is basically just follow where the flashlight's shining on my finger there. Can you see that okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically move this stimulus from left to right. You're going to follow with your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then we're going to go up, okay? So follow it up, eyes only. All right. Next one we're going to do, you've probably seen this if you watch cop shows or anything like that.
And here come the field sobriety tests, the part everybody recognizes, but not everyone understands. These aren't random tricks to embarrass someone on the roadside. They're standardized tests officers use to look for specific clues of impairment. Balance issues, divided attention problems, inability to follow instructions on movement cues. In other words, the officer isn't just asking, can she walk? He's asking, can she safely operate a 2-ton vehicle after drinking? Big difference.
Like that, walk and turn.
Oh my God,
Okay. So what I want you to do is I'm going to have you stand right about here
Okay.
where my flashlight's at. And we're going to face this direction, okay? What I want you to do, just like we did on the last one, feet together, arms down at your side. I'm going to explain the first step of this, okay? Once I explain it, I'm going to ask you to hold a position. Don't start walking though until I tell you to. So from that position, what you're going to do is you're going to take your right foot, you're going to put it in front of your left. The heel of your right foot touching the toes of your left foot. Understood? Go ahead and do that now.
Oh, jeez.
So, and the best you can, hold that position. I'm going to demonstrate the remainder of the test. What you're going to do is imagine a straight line going right from your right front foot straight down the street all the way past those squad cars, okay? You're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps down that straight line, all right? You're going to watch your feet. You're going to count your steps out loud. Keep your arms down at your side. Once you start walking, do not stop. I'm going to demonstrate. You're going to take 9 steps. I'm only going to demonstrate 3 because of what we have here, okay? It's going to look like this. Look at your feet. Count your steps out loud. Keep your arms down at your side. Once you start walking, do not stop. Do you understand the instructions?
Yes.
Okay, you can start whenever you're ready.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Awesome. Thank you. All right. One more for you, okay?
Okay.
This is going to be the one leg stand. You can basically pick whichever foot you want. Okay? I'm going to demonstrate
This
it for
is
you.
hard when I'm sober. Okay.
I got you. I got 40 pounds of gear on, so it makes it
Yeah,
interesting
yeah.
for me as well.
Okay.
So basically what you're going to do, again, feet together, arms down at your side. Okay? I'm going to demonstrate again for you. I'm going to demonstrate by raising my right foot. What you're going to do is you're going to pick your foot up approximately 6 inches off the ground. You're going to point your toe straight out.
Okay.
You're going to look down at your toe. You're going to count out loud. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, and so on until I tell you to stop. So again, you're going to look at your foot. You're going to count out loud. Keep your arms down at your side. Keep your legs straight.
Okay.
Okay? Do you have any questions for me?
No. It's gonna be hard.
You got time for me there, Sean? All right, Mary Kate. Whenever you're ready, you can begin. And if you don't think
Balance is hard.
if you don't think you can do it,
No,
that's fine as well.
1,000.
This one-leg stand is where the case really starts collapsing for her. And to be fair, she even says it's hard, but that's kind of the point. These tests are designed to split your attention between balance, memory, and counting at the same time. For a sober person, it's manageable. For someone impaired, it gets messy fast. Losing balance, restarting, apologizing, trying to recover, it all adds to the officer's total picture of whether she was actually fit to drive.
1001. Oh, poop.
Okay.
I'm sorry. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. Ooh!
Gotcha.
Ooh. Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Can I regain my balance?
Yep, do what you gotta do. He'll let you know when.
2011.
Okay, you can put your foot down. You're good.
1000.
You're good, Mike. You're good. All right. So remember the question I asked you kind of before we started. Do you feel like you were safe to be driving a car tonight? You do?
Well, I mean, considering you had to punch open my window,
Yeah.
probably not.
Okay. All right. So based on kind of everything that happened tonight.
And there's the moment the investigation turns into an arrest. Once the officer combines everything, the fact she was passed out behind the wheel, the collision, the admissions about drinking, the confusion, and the field test performance, he's got probable cause for DUI. What makes this ending hit harder, though, is the emotional crash afterward. Once the adrenaline wears off, reality sets in fast. Not just the arrest, but the weight of how close this came to ending much, much worse.
That happened tonight, based on what we just did, okay? I'm going to place you under arrest for DUI at this time, okay? Mercado is okay?
Not too tight.
You have this jacket on, you don't have any pockets,
We're
right?
good.
I'll take your purse with me as well.
Is your phone in your purse?
I'm not sure
I can
actually.
grab it real
I think
quick
it's
and we can see.
And then, is there anything in the car that you need us to grab out of there? Like, do you have a computer or anything that? Oh, you're gonna come down with us? We got to look to the St. Charles Police Department. Got a little bit of paperwork to do, and then you're gonna be released tonight. You don't have to pay bond or anything like that. Do you? What's up? It's okay. So Mary Kate. So just like we've been this whole time, super. I know. Okay. So
You're gonna be all right. I'm gonna be the one that's taking you down there, okay? And this officer's gonna meet us down there,
we're gonna take good care of you, all right?
okay?
So sooner we go, the sooner we can
Yeah,
get you home or call a friend, okay?
Okay.
I know.
Come on, Mary Kate.
We'll just get you in here, and then we're gonna pull up a little bit closer to your car. Okay. Just watch your step. Yep. Okay. Come. It's all right.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry
It's all right.
about all this. I'm just really sorry.
Okay.
Here's your-
We're just gonna get you into the seat, okay?
Yeah.
And then I can talk to you a little bit more too, okay?
Then we can get you warm.
Yep. That's the big thing. Just
Oh my god.
so if you turn and face me a little bit, okay, and then just go back and sit, and then just try to bring your feet around. There you go. That's about the easiest way to get in.
Oh my god. I can't.
And then no, sit normal, and
Oh, okay.
and I will just.
Oh, you're okay.
Yep. They try to make it easy for us. I'll be right back with you, okay?
The suspect faces charges for driving under the influence and failure to reduce speed to avoid an accident. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and be sure to subscribe for more Bodycam footage daily.